Good morning, guys, and welcome to today's video. If it's your first time stopping, be sure to hit that subscribe button, join the fam, join the squad, join the community. But in today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys with me to the gym because gyms have, today's the first day that they've opened, and I'm so excited. Today's the first day that my gym is opening up, and I'm just heading out. They'll be open at 8. I think it's about 7:30 something right now, so it's not that bad of a drive, but I wanted to get there early, kind of like get my workout in. Also vlog this as well, going back to the gym. They did say they did make some changes, but we'll see, honestly. But I'm so excited. I've missed the gym. I think today I'm just gonna do like a full body workout, but I'm not gonna go like crazy intense because I don't want to be like stupidly sore and then just like crash, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna kind of ease myself into it, warm up, stretch, and then just kind of like lift lightly, per se, just to kind of ease my body to it, because I have kind of lost some muscle mass, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, and lost some definition as well. I was not that consistent at all with like home workouts. I was not, let's be honest here. It was a struggle, and not just working out from home for me in the vibe. That's it, period. But just do a quick outfit over here. We'll do a quick OOTD. I have on this like cropped hoodie, which I got from Forever 21 like a couple years ago. And then these I got from AliExpress. They're super comfy, my workout leggings. If I can find the link, I'll put it down below. Yeah, this is what my outfit looks like. I'm really excited to just kind of like start hitting the metal and start getting these gains. You know what, let me do a quick like, actually maybe I'll do that at the gym. We'll do a quick like physique update. I'm also going to be recording my workout as well, just for you guys if you're like, I'm getting back into the gym and things like that. So I'll record today's workout to give you a workout idea, inspo, all that good jazz. So let me stop rambling and go make myself a coffee. No, I've actually made myself a coffee. Let me go have my coffee, which will be like my pre-workout, and let's head to the gym. Just gonna do a little bit just because I don't want to feel super like bloated or anything like that. Gotta have lotion on you always. I just got to the gym and it looks like it's really not that busy. I could find parking pretty easy, which is nice. So I'm just gonna head in and see what's going on with everything. They didn't have this before, but that's new. Looks like they did a little bit of like behind the scenes work, like maintenance and all that jazz. But I'm excited. I'm the only female here right now in this change room, I think. But that's what's going on. I'm gonna get this workout done because I have about an hour or so before I have to get into my day and start working. This is what it's looking like. So they have like every second one, so you're like socially distant. Grass here, turf, and now they've changed it to like, this is the setup. Like, this is really the setup.
I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Take you there. For the first time, been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? For the wrong guys, they keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Take you there.
Just finished my workout. I think I will debrief you guys on it when I get home, just because I gotta run home here shortly, so I'll let you guys know how it was. It's really good, but I'll delve like more into it when I get home. I'm just gonna grab a thumbnail for this video and do like an Instagram story kind of thing and then head home. But I had a good workout. My legs are like shaking a little bit, so yeah. Ooh, yeah. I'm back at home now. Just got back from the gym. The gym was really good. Obviously, they kind of closed off like every second equipment to kind of help people with social distancing and things like that. But other than that, I had a really good workout. I think it was a good way to ease myself into it. I didn't like go crazy or anything like that. Noticed I've lost a little bit of strength, meaning I'm not able to lift as heavy as I usually would. but that is okay. The great thing about the human body is it is adaptable. So we getting back these gains. We really getting back these gains. I'm not worried about that. With progressive overload and me training consistently, I'll be back in like literally no time. So I'm not stressing at all. I had a really good session. Also helped me mentally too. Like I find I'm in a really good mental headspace after working out, but it just felt good to be back at the gym. It felt fresh and new. They did like a couple like maintenance work and things like that. Yeah guys, so that is it for this video. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to give this video a like, as it does really supports my channel, because I do put in a lot of time and things like that into it, and so it's free. Help your girl, help me, help you. We all grow together. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Have yourself a wonderful like day, morning, whenever you're watching this. Yeah, I'm gonna go make myself some breakfast and head over to my mom's restaurant. I'll chit chat with you guys later. Bye.